I'm going to sing a John Mayer song called Stop This Train. I don't play it like John Mayer. I don't do the slapping technique. I've got my own style here, but it's a beautiful song. I love the lyrics, so here you go. No, I'm not colorblind. I know the world's black and white. I try to keep an open mind, but I can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in, and I know I can, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? Someone stop this train. I don't know how else to say it, but I want to see my parents go. One generation's length away from fighting life on my own. Stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in, and I know I can, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? I'm so scared of getting old. I'm only good at being young. So I play the numbers game to find a way to say life's just begun. Had a talk with my old man, said help me understand. Said you turned 68, you renegotiate. Don't stop this train. Don't for a minute change the place you're in. Don't think I couldn't ever understand. I tried my hand, but John, honestly, will never stop this train. Will never stop this train. Once in a while, when it's good and it feels like it should, and they're all still around, and you're still safe and sound, and you don't miss a thing till you cry when you're driving away in the dark, singing, stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in, and I know I can, but now I see I'm never gonna stop this train. Stop this train. Stop this train. No, never stop this train. See ya.